Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix the memory management error, then let's look at the following steps. So the first step would obviously be to run the memory diagnostic tool. So we will press Windows along with R and we will use the command mdsched. Press enter and press restart now and check for problems, and that should resolve the issue. If that doesn't, then we will run an SFC scan, and we do that by looking for command prompt. So let us type command prompt and right click on it and run as administrator. Yes, and we'll type in the command sfc space slash scan now, SCANNOW, enter, and it will run a scan and it should resolve the issue. If both of these options don't work, the last and final option would be is to update the graphic card drivers. We do that by going to device manager, look for device manager here, and let's look for the display adapters because those are our graphic card drivers. Here I have an AMD Radeon graphics card driver, and I will right click and select update driver. This should resolve this error. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.